To automatically open an app on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra when you start working, you have to add the Open an app to the work mode action list. To do so, swipe down to the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap work. Scroll down the screen. Tap other action. Under suggested action section, tap open an app or do an app action. Select the required app you like to automatically open when work mode is on. As the example, we will select open Gmail. To find it quickly, tap the search icon at the top right. Enter the app name. Select open Gmail. Tap done button. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, your phone will automatically open the selected app, in this case, Gmail, when work mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.